right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. And working for which company?
Total energy.
Oh, okay. So how long have you been working there?
2 years on contract.
On contract. Oh, okay. That's fine. So you want to know about the Microsoft Office specialist, I think.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So at the minute, if you are to rate your skill set in any of the Office applications, what will be your rate between 1 and 10?
With all of them, like with Word, Excel,
Let's say Word. Let's pick one. Word.
Word like a 5.
5. Okay, that's fine. What about Excel?
Excel. Excel has a lot of things. I've not even done learning, so uh, I'll give it a 5. I mean, I need
A 5.
something.
Yeah, it's fine. It's understandable because I myself, I'm still learning. I'm always learning. So you cannot finish learning. Yeah. So what I usually do is I have a YouTube channel. So the
Okay.
first thing you need to do is to complete the videos that I've recorded on YouTube. That
Okay.
way it will help you understand the interface of the application. So if it is Word, I picked it tab by tab and group by group. So when you go to the home, you have the clipboard. You need to understand the tools under the clipboard and the circumstances under which you go to that clipboard group to use the tools. You go to the font group, you go to the paragraph group, you go to the styles group. Now you move on to, let's say, design. You move on to page layout. You move on to view and review. So once you've understood the interface, then I will introduce you to the GMetrix practice exercises, which will give you hands-on experience when it comes to working with the application. But it will be difficult if you don't have an understanding of the interface. Does
Okay.
that make sense? And you do it at your own pace. So my job here is to guide you or more or less coach you on how to use the GMetrix. Then if you have any issue, you can book a one-on-one online, maybe for about 30 minutes to discuss issues that you are facing or questions that are mind-boggling that you need my assistance. But if you're able to do all of that, you might not even need me because you have an understanding of the interface. And all you need to do is to do the practice exercises. So once you've acquired the skill, then we can look at getting you certified with Microsoft. So if you don't have the skill set, there is no way you will pass the Microsoft exam because it is practical. Yes. So if it is Word, they want you to probably apply, let's say, a wallpaper. So if you want to apply a wallpaper, where do you click? Where do you go? So it is a live in the app testing technology that they use. So you need to click and do it. Does that make
Okay.
sense? Uh-huh. So
Yeah.
usually when I come into contact with people, most of them the focus is on getting certified. But I try to change the narrative. Get a skill first. Once you get a skill, getting certified is just within 50 minutes. But if you focus on passing the exam, you will not really understand and benefit from the practice exercises and the coaching that I will be giving to you. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So I'm going to share my screen and show you a few things you need to take note of. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, I can see a screen.
Okay, that's fine. So when you go to my YouTube channel, I have a playlist. Okay.
Okay.
So from the playlist, I have some videos I've recorded on Microsoft Word. So this is just
Okay.
about 13 of them, 13 videos, which you can use maybe a week to complete it.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Then when you finish, you can also look at Excel, of which I've recorded about 21 videos. Are you okay with that?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So once you finished with that, then the next step is for you to create your GMetrix account, gmetrix.net. So you go to gmetrix.net, then you sign up for an account. You can use your Gmail or Microsoft account if you want to do that. Are we okay with that?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
sir.
So once you sign up for the GMetrix, that is when I will get you the practice test voucher. So for the practice test, you can get that from my website, fitgh.net/shop. But we have two options. So we have the practice test material, which gives you the opportunity to just practice on one of the Office applications. So if you buy just for one, you can only use it for, let's say, Word or Word Expert. Okay. So this is it for 34.29 USD. So
Okay.
what it means is if you are doing Word, you will buy. If you are doing Word Expert, you will buy. If you are doing Excel, you will buy. But that will be too much. So I will recommend that you buy the full suite, 6480, where you get to practice on Word, Word Expert, Excel, Excel Expert, PowerPoint, Access, and what? Outlook. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is what I would recommend that you buy after you finish watching the videos on my YouTube channel. So once
Okay.
you are done and you are ready for us to start, then you purchase this for the practice exercises. Okay. So once you finish with all the practice exercises and you want to take a certification exam, we have two options. So you have just a single exam for $36.68. So with this, when you take the exam and you pass, then you are good to go. But if you fail, you will need to pay another 36.68 to do the reset. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we have another one, which is 55 USD. With this, when you fail, you get to rewrite it again for free within 30 days. So these are the options. But if you follow my coaching, if you watch the videos, you practice, there wouldn't be any need for you to even buy the $55. You just buy the 36.68, you sit and you pass. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Yes. So that is essentially it. Then once you finish and you want to take the exam, this is where you come to setiport.com. Okay. So you go to setiport.com to register for an account. So when you go to log in or register, now you say join for free. So you can join for free. Then you fill in the details, your country, your email, your password, and you fill in all the necessary details. Then you agree to the license agreement over here. So if you're struggling with creating the account, I can come online and guide you through it. Are we okay with that? Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. So this is my account. So if I go there as a test candidate, and these programs are good because I'm a living testimony to this particular program. I've taken about more than 27 certifications with Certiport. So each
Wow.
year, yes, Word Expert, Excel 2010 version. I've done a 2019 version. So all this is my transcripts. And I've done networking fundamentals, Windows operating system, technology literacy for educators because I love teaching. I'll need to understand how to teach in this 21st century. So I did that as well, got certified. I've done the IC3 digital literacy, of which I'm training the
Mm-hmm.
trainers as well. So it's a good program. And I don't focus on the certification. The certification is a plus, but the content of the program will make you a better individual. Does that make sense?
that.
Yes, that is it. So that is about that. So you start with a YouTube, you go through, then when you're ready, you purchase your practice test voucher. I set it up for you. Then we can meet one on one, maybe within the week. We go through one or a few of the tasks. Then it should be fine. Is it okay? Any
It's
questions?
okay. Uh, I'll I'll just finish with the YouTube videos, then
Mhm.
the songs that goes into it, then come towards it. That will be all for me.
That's it. Yes.
Because I've been personally learning it on Udemy, but then I feel like
I think you keep breaking up. If you can raise your voice a bit because I
yeah,
can't hear you. Yes, I can hear you now. Yeah.
I'm saying that personally learning these skills by yourself and with apps can be less accountable. I mean, you start, you stop, you continue, you start again. So I wanted something more accountable.
Okay. So something more structured in that
Yeah,
context. Okay.
so that's
Okay. So
randomly
I'll
doing
okay. So I'll be your accountable partner. So I'll make sure you learn week by week. We follow the procedure, then we'll get you there. Okay.
it.
So it's going to be a challenge. You go to YouTube. If it's what you want to start with, you start with what? 13 videos. So 13 videos because you're working. I don't want to overwhelm you. So every day you watch one video, and within that video, you practice. Then you get back to me. Oh, I watched this video. This is what I learned, and this is how I'm using it. So every day, one video. So within 13 days, you should be done with Microsoft Word. Okay.
Yeah,
So once you finish with Microsoft Word, then we can move on to the practice test material with the GMetrix. Then we do it for about 2, 3 weeks. You should be fine. Then you can get certified. Then we can move on to Excel. Then we do it. Excel's about 21 videos. So it should take about 21 days to complete all the videos and it should be good to go. Is it okay?
yeah, it's okay.
So the challenge will start from today or let's make it tomorrow.
Uh,
Okay. So tomorrow we'll start with Microsoft Word. Then I'll just text you on WhatsApp to find out about your progress. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So thank you very much, Patricia. If you don't have any more questions, then I will let you go so that you can concentrate on your work.
Yeah, thank
You're welcome.
you.
Bye bye.